Hello, quick update on the hydro system. The dam is now full and winter is upon us, as you can see. So we've had a fair bit of rain again today. We've had just on 30 mil since midnight last night, and we can see that my where I've plugged off the old culvert pipe and put the other pipe through is working. And we can see here it's coming through at a steady pace, not a lot though. That's going to be, what would you think, a quarter of a litre a second or thereabouts. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop this plug on that I've made. I couldn't find an actual cap, so I've got a Y piece that I put two end caps on, and we'll put that on here and see how it goes. As you can see, it's not actually raining at the moment, but just through the water coming through off the mountain over there, and all the ground is still coming in throughout here at a reasonable flow. So let's put this cap on and then have a look. So here we go, cap's on. So in the end, I'll end up putting, I want a couple of those on there full time anyway. I've just put that on without gluing it, just to give it a look. As you can see, there's still a little bit of flow under there, not very much though. That would just be coming through the earth itself and possibly leaking through that concrete a little bit too. But there doesn't really seem to be any leaking from there, so it'll be interesting to come and have a look tomorrow and see if the pressure's actually popped it off. But now we should see this dam overnight fill up to maybe a foot or so higher. I'll have to see what more rain is forecast, because if it starts belting down, I might want to actually let that off so I don't flood it. But I've still got a good foot, good 30 centimetres or so. I've got a little bit more room here on this side, but on that side it's going to start banking up a bit. But it'll be very interesting to see with another foot of height in here, which would be another fair bit of water. So roughly, I worked it out, it's about 700 square metres of area on top of this dam. So another half a metre on top is a fair bit of water. So it'll be interesting to see how quickly that'll actually come out of here. You can see the old maximum markers there, those sticks sticking up there. So it's definitely holding, the concreted in pipe is definitely holding most of the water from going through there. So anyway, so just a quick update. So we've finally had enough rain to actually fill this up, so I can hopefully see what kind of flow we get in the next few days. But, and as I said last time, there is still a little bit of head down there to be had, so it'll be interesting to see if we can actually get some assistance from gravity through there. But as you can see, it's still a fairly gentle slope down there before you actually get down to the bottom. But anyway, just for fun, let's take this top cap off and have a look, shall we? Wow, so there you go. It's already pretty much filled that up. Well, let's just, these are a pain to put back on. I'll do that one afterwards. Let's just pull this off for fun, see how quickly it comes out. Anyway, Well, that's certainly increased the flow, hasn't it? It shows you'd also definitely want a oh, we might be onto something here. Definitely want a hard stand above that pipe, a hard stand, a stand pipe I should say, coming up above that, so the water, when it does, so it can fly it out even easier. But, yes, so that's encouraging. All right, so that'll do for my quick little tiny test. But as I said, I'm not really asking that much out of this. If I could get 0.1 of a kilowatt hour, so 100 watt hours an hour out of this, I'd be perfectly happy with that. So just the sort of thing where I can have an extra, you know, even at that, an extra 2.4 kilowatt hours over 24 hours and use this as a battery. That'd be wonderful. That'd be perfectly good. So I don't need a huge amount of power out of this thing. So yeah, so it'll be interesting to have a look. Yes, I know I can sit down and do the maths and work it out based on the water and all the rest of it, and the head, and yeah, but let's just see what it actually is, and then we'll confirm it. We'll confirm it easily enough afterwards. But as I said, in the next video, probably just get there with a standard sort of 9 litre bucket and see how long it takes to fill it up. Anyway, that was all. Quick update, just to have a look and show you that we should be able to actually do something with this. Okay, thanks for watching.